you have to say you saw for a long time. Can you do? You also should sing with me. Pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni da ni sa ni sa ni sa re sa ni sa re ga ma pa ma pa da ma da ni sa ni sa ni sa re sa re ga ma ga re sa re sa ni sa ni da pa da ma pa ma ga ma ga re sa re sa ni da ni da pa. Some pattern, if you get in mind, you should continue from Mandra Saptak to Tar Saptak. Now I got an idea. Okay, sari sa pada ni sa pada ni 1 2 1 2 3. So we have to continue that. Pada ni da ni sa ni sa re sa re ga ma pa ma pa ma pa da pa da ni da ni sa ni da re sa ri ga ma ma ga re sa ri sa ni sa ni da pa da pa ma ga ma ga re sa ni sa ni da da pa. Now if you get pa pa da ni pa pa 2 times. Pa pa da ni sa da re ga ma ma pa pa da ni sa da re ga ma ma ga re sa ni da pa pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa da re ga ma ma pa pa da ni sa da re ga ma ma ga re sa ni da pa pa ma ga re sa ni da pa 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 da ni sa da re ga ma ma pa pa da ni sa da re ga ma ma ga re sa ni da pa pa ma ga re sa ni da pa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga pa da ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da ma ga re sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni da pa. Now if you get the idea, pa pa ni, you are jumping from one note to another, so you have to continue that. Pa ni da sa re ni re sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma. If you want to go pa also you can do ga ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa. If you want to go to ma also you can go da ma pa ga ma re. Now it will not go now. In the little early morning you can go. That is why 4 o'clock. If you practice regularly, automatically you will get strength to sing the whole full what you call octave. Now we will sing up to pa, up to ma. Pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma ga pa ma dha pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma ga pa ma da pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma ga pa ma da pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa 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 ni da da sa. Next will be da da ni pa pa ni da da sa. Then da da sa sa da da sa sa ni re da da ba ba ni pa pa ni ni da da sa da da sa sa ni ni re re ni re re sa sa ga ga re re mo ga re sa ni re sa ni da sa ni da ba ni da ba ma da ba ma ga ba ma ga re sa ni da sa ni da ba pa da ni sa ni da ri da ri ga re ga ma ba ma da ba da ni da ri da ri ga re ga ma ga re da ri sa ni da ba da ba ma ga re ga ri da ri da ri da ba. Like that, the combinations you have to go on getting it, creativity. For that, you have to sit near the harmonium or go on practicing somehow. If you have harmonium, better try. But try to sing in harmony. Or just like that also you can sing. Sa ga re ma ga ba ma da pa ni da sa ni re sa ga re ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa da ma pa ga ma re ga sa re ni sa da ni pa pa da ni sa da ni sa re ni sa re ga sa re ga ma re ga ma pa pa da ma pa da ni sa da ni sa re ga ri sa ri sa ni da sa ni da pa ni da ma da pa ma ga re ma ga re sa sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re. After some creative part, you should sing the first one very happily. Sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re sa. Then your voice will be ready to sing any song, any type of song, any language. Language is no problem. Only thing is we have to carefully pronounce it. That's all. That also you will get it by practice. 1 or 2 times. Okay, try. Yes. Because musician has to go everywhere. So maximum language, if you know, it will be better. That is why in India there are so many languages. अभी language South India में जाके हिंदी ओके सुनते हैं, लेकिन एक तमिल सॉन्ग नहीं तो एक मलयालम सॉन्ग, एक कन्नड़ा सॉन्ग, एक तेलुगु सॉन्ग गाए तो they will be happy. If you sing their language song, it will be very nice. Our one traditional song is there. What is the book? Vishnu Maya, the name of Vishnu Maya, even Mahishasura Mardini, that is also Vishnu Maya's one of the name. So now I will sing one Mahishasura Mardini song, so that the left side is cleared and we will be the viruses and all will go. Because of left side viruses comes. So we should sing for left side any song like Shankara, Rag Shankara. I am going to sing Rag Shankara. In this I am going to sing one song, Mahishasura Mardini. It is a traditional song written by Shri Krishna Narayan Ratanjankar, one of the very great musician. So I am going to sing that song for you, and if you want to record it later on, any of these things will be in the come in YouTube also. Rag Shankara is having all the Shuddha notes, means normal notes. Tantra is important. This song I am not going to teach line by line because this is little difficult. You can learn it by listening, you will learn it. Rag Shankara is all notes are normal. Sa ga pa ga pa ni da sa ni pa ga pa ga sa ni pa ni sa ga pa ga sa ga pa ni da sa ni sa ga sa re ni pa ga pa ni da sa ni pa ga pa ga sa महिषासुरमर्दिनी महिषासुरमर्दिनी दुर्गे महिषासुरमर्दिनी माँ दुर्गे दुर्गा मर्दिनी दुर्गे महिषासुरमर्दिनी सिंहासिनी जगदम्ब भवानी दयानी शिवानी जोगनी जय 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 महिषासुरमर्दिनी Mother, you are the Mahishasura and you are Durga. You are Jagadamba and Bhavani, Dayani, Shivani, Jogani, Jai Jai Jai. Please remove all the viruses from the world with your 8 hands. Remove all the negativities which are affecting the whole world. अष्टहु भुजासो कीजो नष्ट अष्टहु भुजासो कीजो नष्ट अष्टहु भुजासो अष्टहु भुजासो अष्टहु अष्टहु भुजासो कीजो नष्ट पापताप महिषासुरमर्दिनी 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 Sani sani pa ga pa pa ni ni sa sa ga ga sa ni da ni pa ga pa ma gi sha ga sura mardini durge mahisha ga sura mardini durge mahisha ga sura mahisha ga sura mahisha ga sura mardini After that, we can sing one Sahaja Bandish in Rag Kalavati. This Rag Kalavati is having 5 notes. Dani saga gapa gasa gapa dani da dani da pada pada gapa gasa. I said no. Dani da pa. One idea again. Then we have to continue. Pada pada gama gasa sada sadi dani dasa. If you put re, sa ni da pa ga re sa, if you say, it will become different raga called Jana Sammohini. Now we are singing Kalavati. Sa ga pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ga sa. We all Sahajogis have very good understanding, or we can say we have recognized Shri Mataji. Who is Shri Mataji? Because Shri Mataji said, I have improved your divinity by which you can really recognize me with your heart. So this song, I wrote it, but Shri Mataji gave me in Vaitravana. When I was teaching students, I used to say, there used to be very big Shri Mataji's photograph here, the right side. I used to tell them, don't see me, see this and see, wow, very big photograph. But it is like a real Mataji sitting there. So you sing in front of her, Think that you are singing for her and in front of her. So she will be happy and you will be happy. They used to tell, we used to do that. Then I also used to sing like that one, practice when the students are not there. Then one day I got an idea. Shri Mataji, I want to sing in front of you this song. I don't know, desire we can say. I got a desire. Whether it is good or not, I don't know. But that time I had a desire. It should be, I think it is can be Nirmal desire only, pure desire. I got it. You know, in 2010, Sri Mataji invited all of some musicians, I also was there, to sing in front of Sri Mataji. And I got that chance to sing just in front of me, Mataji, Sri Mataji. Then I sang this song. So, you have a desire, whatever you want. If you cannot sit and meditate, sit on a chair and say, Sri Mataji, I want to sit down on the earth and meditate. In few days, you can of course you can massage your knees and request Sri Mataji, I want to put your desire that I want to sit on Mother Earth and meditate. In few days you will sit down, try, and there will not be any problem. So small problem also it will go away. What is this virus? We should say the virus, hey virus, you may be big, okay, but my mother is bigger than you. Yes, if you behave properly, otherwise my mother will take care of you. Understood? Get out. Like that we should be. We should not, oh, virus is there, corona is there. Let it be there. It has to be big. So that Sri Mataji, she can show her bigger form and protect all of us. There are so many cases Sri Mataji were protected in so many ways. हिंदी में बोलना क्या? I think ज़रूरत नहीं है. श्री माता जी को सब पता है कि हम श्री माता जी को कितना दिल से चाहते हैं. अभी हमारा डिजायर हो गया, एक इच्छा होगी कि पृथ्वी में बैठ के मेडिटेशन करें. सपोज अपने को नहीं हो रहा है तो रिक्वेस्ट करना श्री माता, प्लीज मदर आई वांट टू, बिकॉज पृथ्वी इज सो connected from our Mooladhara. After some times you can see, you can try, you will sit down, no problem. But take care. Even this अभी वायरस है, वायरस को अपन डरना नहीं. ओके बड़ाई है, ओके वायरस बहुत बड़ा रहना चाहिए. क्यों बोले तो श्री माता जी उससे बड़ा होके विश्व रूप में आके अपने को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. इसलिए हम वायरस को बोलना है, वायरस जाओ, बी केयरफुल, सावधान रहो कि हमारा श्री माता जी है बहुत बड़े. सो बिहेव योरसेल्फ, गेट अप बोल के बोलना, वो चले जाता. सो नाउ हम लोग गाएंगे राग कलावती में. एक ताल का चीज है ये गाना, एक ताल. Sani dani sa, sani sani dani sa, sani dani sa ga sa, sani dani sa ga pa ga sa, sani dani sa ga pa ga ga sa, ga ba ga sa, ga ba da ba ga sa, ga ba da ni da ba ga sa, ga ba da ni sa ni da ba ga sa, ga ba da ni sa ni da ba ga sa, ga ba da ni sa ga sa ni da ba ga sa, ga ba da ni Gabadani saga sani da bagasa Babagasa Dada babagasa Nini dada babagasa Gabadani sa Gabadani ni Gabadani Gabadani sa Gabadani ni Sani da bagasa Pagasa Da pagasa Ni da pagasa Sa ni da pagasa Adi Shakti. Now this is teaching. You have to learn. Adi Shakti Maa tumhari Maa tumhari Maa tumhari Adi Shakti Yes, ये एक सेंटेंस है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस लीला लीला बरनीन 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 जाए जाए. Mother, your divine play, nobody can explain it. Nobody can explain it because it is in any way you come, you are protecting us, you are removing all the negativities out around us. So it is your great Adi Shakti. Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Leela barani na jaye Leela barani na jaye. Okay, now we will sing the first line 4 times, second line 2 times, then first line 2 times, second line 2 times, then first line 1 time. You understand? You, yes, my mother is very great. My mother is big. Yes, bigger than all problems, all negativities. No negativity can affect us if you are under the protection of Shri Mataji. Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Leela barani na jaye Leela barani na jaye Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti maa tumhari Leela barani na jaye Leela barani na jaye Adi Shakti maa tumhari Adi Shakti तुम्हारी. Now this is ektal, 12 mother, 12 beats. Din, tage, tuma, tatra, tage. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. लीला बरनी न जाए, लीला बरनी न जाए. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. लीला बरनी न जाए, लीला बरनी न जाए. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. In our body, in our subtle body, she lives like our Kundalini. कुंडलिनी माँ तुम हो, 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 कुंडलिनी माँ तुम हो. सहस्रार स्वामिनी तुम हो, कुंडलिनी माँ तुम हो. सहस्रार स्वामिनी तुम हो. कुंडलिनी माँ तुम हो, सहस्रार स्वामिनी तुम हो. साकार में प्यार भरा, साकार में प्यार भरा, साकार में प्यार भरा. निर्मल माँ भी तुम हो, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. Kundalini माँ तुम हो. You are in my subtle body. You represent as Kundalini माँ. You are also on my Sahasrara. You are Sahasrara Swami. And in the human form, you are very loving mother, Sri Mataji, Nirmala Devi. I don't know how I wrote it. That is why we don't know how we did everything, so many things. These are the blessings. Now you all are singing. How you are singing? See, I am here in Hyderabad. You all are learning. Thanks Sri Mataji for that. I think Sai Yoga will improve like this also. So I request you, all of you, to learn, not for programs. We have to please our mother, saying, yes, you are my great mother. Because these are the important stage. Now, if you don't tell people that Sri Mataji is there, don't waste your time. We have done like that. We have to, next song I will teach you after some time. Now this one, Rag Kalavati, ek tal, 12 beats. The notes are sa ga pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa da sa. I think you are writing. If you don't write also, you write it later when you are listening. Sa ga pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ga sa, ga pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ga sa. Like that. Once you get that note, you should go on practicing. Sa ga pa da ni sa, sa ni da pa ga sa, sa ga pa da ni sa. Then you will be familiar with the raga, with the structure of this raga. Adi Shakti, sorry, Antara. Kundalini ma tum ho. You have to bring it down. Kundalini ma tum ho. Kundalini ma tum ho. Kundalini. First you can say Kundalini ma tum ho. Kundalini ma tum ho. Then third one you can little change. Kundalini Kundal. These are the beauty of the raga. When you sing like that, you have to sing like that. Kundalini ni. Now some more change. First it was Kundalini matum. Now Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. First 3 times you have to come back. Then third, fourth one you should be on this, on sa, like this. Kundalini, Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Why? Because Sahasrar, the Sahasrar is starting from there. Sahasrar Swamini tum ho. We came back. So Kundalini matum ho. Sahasrar Swamini tum ho. We sing. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Sahasrar Swami, Sahasrar Swamini tum ho. Sahasrar Swamini tum ho. Kundalini matum ho. Sahasrar Swamini tum ho. Sakar mein, in the form, in the human form, you came as Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi. Sakar mein, sakar mein, sakar mein, प्यार भरा साकार में, प्यार भरा नीरे नीरे ma vi tum ho Nirmal 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 ma Nirmal ma vi tum ho vi tum ho Nirmal ma vi tum ho. Very good. Yes, you have to go on practicing, then practice makes man perfect. Okay, we can see, nobody can. These are the, see, we all are, I am teaching and you are learning. It is also divine plan, Sri Mataji's plan. So, she will make us sing. She will give us strength to do, these are her work. It is not, so many work we have to do. Music is so important for that, because, see, now there are so many old compositions, like traditional compositions for Rama, for Sri Rama, for Sri Krishna, for Jesus, for Vishnu, for Lakshmi, for Parvati, Saraswati, for Shiva, for Parvati. Why? Because those days these powers came. So some people have written so many songs. So they recognized them and wrote. Now we are recognizing Sri Mataji in her form, full form of Adi Shakti, because she has to come like human body, human being, only because she has to raise the Kundalini of her followers, bhaktas. So we all are very, very lucky enough to become her bhakta first, to recognize her and to get our realization, Kundalini. And now we can have, we are having power to give realization to others. Oh, how beautiful it is, how big, very big chain. So the human body for which Sri Mataji gave, it is getting fruitful. Yes. Otherwise, see, in any other form, we cannot raise Kundalini. We cannot talk. Even up to monkey level, the animals, they don't talk. Only human body have this talk. So we should have Vishuddhi for recognizing, yes, recognizing Sri Mataji as well as listening to her advices, we can say speeches. Then we should get that knowledge, divine knowledge, and tell whomever we can say, we have to say. If they come to Sahaja Yoga, okay. If they don't come to Sahaja Yoga, also no problem, because at least they will have the knowledge. They have the, yes, something is there. One day or another, one day they will come in this life. Otherwise they will come in their second life, next life. So now we should sing. This song is so important for I think all the Sahaja Yogis. Jai Sri Mataji. Otherwise, simple song, very simple song, and very nicely composed because of Sri Mataji. And I cannot say that I have done it, because it is, I don't know where it came. it is Sri Mataji said, if you do Sahaja work, ego won't come. Yes, ego will not come, because we know we are not the doer. Only Sri Mataji is doing. Of course, she has selected some instrument. Like this harmonium I have selected to play the song. Otherwise it will be lying down, sitting. So when we use it, it should be ready to sing, ready to play. So like this we have to be ready. We should be ready, always ready by morning meditating morning, and thinking of Sri, in meditation all the whole day, whatever we do, we should say, we should surrender Sri Mataji, it is your work. Even eating, even anything, going to office, so wherever if you go to office, you should say, yes, I'm here for spreading the vibration, divine vibration. So you will be having all the good works. Like when I'm teaching, I don't feel tired for teaching, because I know this is divine work. Not only here, when I was working in a college also, in school also, I won't feel tired also. It was so great pleasure to tell about Sri Mataji, sing about Sri Mataji. Kundalini ma tum ho, Kundalini ma tum ho, Kundalini ma tum ho, Kundalini ma tum ho, Sahasrar Swamini tum ho, Kundalini ma tum ho, Sahasrar Swamini tum ho, साकार में प्यार भरा, साकार में प्यार भरा, साकार में प्यार भरा, निर्मल माँ भी तुम हो. You can sing once, first time. Again, if you sing the antara, when you have to go to stai, then you can say Nirmal Ma Tumi Ho for 3 times, like this. सागर में प्यार भरा, निर्मल माँ भी तुम हो, निर्मल माँ भी तुम हो, निर्मल माँ भी तुम हो. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी लीला बरनी न जाए, लीला बरनी न जाए. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. Now we'll sing tabla, ek taal. Din din dhage tirke tu na katta, dhage tirke din, din din dhage tirke tu na katta, dhage tirke din. आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी. लीला प्यार भरा निर्मल माना भी तुम हो, निर्मल माना भी तुम हो, निर्मल माना भी तुम हो। आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी लीला वरनी न जाए, लीला वरनी न जाए। आदिशक्ति माँ तुम्हारी, आदिशक्ति, आदिशक्ति, आदिशक्ति Sri Mataji song really take us to Nirvichara. I think one day I should give concert. What do you say? Sahaj Yoga concert. All Sri Mataji songs I will sing. Hope when Sri Mataji arranges it, we will do it. Jai Sri Mataji. Whenever you feel, sing this song many times. And one more song, that one. Sa सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से. These songs are really worth singing more time, because yes, I became Sahaji in this life. Sahaj Yoga, Sahaj Yogi, Sri Mataji's Kripa. For me it is 100%, because Sri Mataji came all the way to Hyderabad for a public program, and the neighbor told me, not here, it was in a previous house, that neighbor said me, our Mataji is coming, so will you sing for her? Because my father has told, because we are singers from beginning, musicians, so my father is to say, you should not go to Babas. You should not go to Babas, they will misuse all the, they will misuse, like that he said. So don't go to Babas and for singing or any purpose. Don't go. Be at home. Because he was a Shiva Bhakta. He is Shiva Bhakta. So he used to tell us, you be at the protection of Sri Sadashiva. So we used to like that. When the neighbor came and told me, our Sri Mataji is coming, will you sing for her? Then I thought, oh, for the first time somebody came, because nobody came for Babas. That is also great, what you call, lucky. Yeah, I am lucky, very lucky. So I thought, okay, my father said not to go to Babas. This is Sri Mataji. He is selling Sri Mataji. So I will go there. When I went there, really, I thought music is the limit, highest limit. Wow, music is very great. So I used to practice a lot, and maybe sometimes we used to practice 10 hours, really. Now not like that. Those days it was necessary, because my guru also used to tell me, sing like that. Now, then afterwards, when Sri Mataji was saying about Kundalini, about the subtle system and Kundalini, first time I heard Kundalini name, and Chakras, Sahasrara, Vishuddhi, Navi, oh, Sri Ganesha's place, Sri Sadashiva's Atma, these things really gave me a, what you call, real, I thought, oh, this is what I came. This is what I am singing for. Okay. So I understood. I am very, very thankful to Sri Mataji. Because of her blessings, I came to Sahaja. Sorry. Sahaji bane maaki. You know, please sing. सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, 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 बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से. I hope you remember the raga's name. Vachaspati. सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, कई जन्मों का पुण्य फला, कई जन्मों का पुण्य फला, निर्मल माँ का दर्शन हुआ, निर्मल माँ का दर्शन हुआ, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, कई जन्मों का पुण्य फला, निर्मल माँ का दर्शन हुआ, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा. माँ की कृपा से, कृपा से, माँ की कृपा से, सहजी, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा से, सहजी बने माँ की कृपा. धर्म ये श्री माँ का उपहार है, ये माँ सहजीवने माँ की कृपा से कई जन्मों का पुण्य फला निर्मल माँ का दर्शन हुआ सहजीवने माँ की कृपा से सहजीवने 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 माँ की कृपा से। Sahaji Bane, we became Sahaj Yogi because of Sri Mataji's blessing, and we all are meeting. That is also because of Sri Mataji's blessings. So we are singing. That is also because Sri Mataji gave this Vishuddhi to sing her praise. Jai Sri Mataji. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for giving me the chance. Now we will raise our Kundalini with that song. Sa Mooladhara Swadhisthana Nabhi Bhava Sagar Anahada Vishuddhi Agya Sahasrara Mooladhara Swadhisthana Nabhi Bhava Sagar Anahada Vishuddhi Agya Sahasrara Mooladhara Swadhisthana Nabhi Bhava Sagar Anahada Vishuddhi Agya Sahasrara. बोलो आदिशक्ति श्री माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की जय. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Happy. Be happy. Jai Shri Mataji.